Alright, number 7 on the star ready. Lawrence's father gave him 200 baseball cards. Each week, I know that every time I see the word each or per, there's going to be some kind of multiplying needed. Each week, Lawrence purchases 25 baseball cards to add to his collection. Which inequality can be used to find W, the number of weeks after starting his collection, when Lawrence will save or have more than 750 baseball cards in his collection? Okay, I know that more than in this situation is talking about one of these symbols. Sometimes more than means to subtract, sometimes to add, but because I know there's no equal sign on this inequality is what I'm looking for. So whatever it is has to be more than, and I know that the more than symbol looks like this, which means this is not a good answer choice, and this is not a good answer choice. Okay, the other thing I know is he already has 200. So 200 is my starting point. And in this case, my plain numbers, the ones that are not attached to my variable, represent the starting number. And so this first one says he's starting with 25. This one says he starts with 200. Okay, this is on track, letter D. Then the other thing, it says each week he purchases 25. So remember, each is attached to that 25, and that means your variable, whether it's an X or W or whatever, is going to be attached to that number, which is what we got going on here. So letter D has to be correct on that one.